you're scraping the leaves, you flip this over, you push it past the gutter hanger, and you continue on your merry way. And then there's this one. This is the old method. It's got, so you can hang it on the edge of the gutter right while you're cleaning. It's a belt that goes around yourself. You lock it onto your ladder, 3 points of contact. So what you do is you either put this onto the gutter or either your roof, and this is adjustable to take your ladder and lock it in. It's part of their company image. Sealers break down, you need to be reapplied. Awnings will start leaking. That's how I'm spraying the awnings, my chemical solution on there. Okay.
Is with the vinyl, you really want to seal it because it's like it stays wet. It just pops like you wouldn't believe. So wood and metal surfaces, bleach is corrosive. Neutralize the SH with post rinse. Before and after shots, and you can see that we sprayed it and it killed it.